Enjoy my mixture. The monster behind me.
Apa sih anak bayi? Seneng banget.
No, I do not want to drink it. I couldn't even drink it. Because it's so tasty. I don't know. Are you going to say this? I don't know. I didn't taste this. Make sure this is
Coba lain.
Juga siangan dikit penuh.
Enggak muncul.
Sorean dikit.
Udah kayaknya.
Oh, sesuai sininya.
and some. And one of my cousins is enjoying her boba. And
Ini bukan ada susu.
Hah?
Ini bukan ada susu sapi.
Apa?
Adiknya rame ntar.
Susu sapi.
Dia rame.
Bukan ada susu sapi.
Susu sapi.
Iya.
Masih ada alergi. Kayaknya dia alergi susu sapi juga nih.
and I have another cousin.
Tapi nggak
that's
separah udah.
younger, and she's actually
Dia lagi dia.
Dia lagi bersih tuh ada bapaknya ya.
Tapi kemarin yang parah nih kelolosan Okdennya waktu kita makan rame-rame itu.
Come.
Bersih makanya.
Nom 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 nom.
Dia lagi bagus.
Guys, you were so happy. Oh, no. Tasty.
Ya, otot jangan masukin mulut, nggak boleh.
Extra tasty. Nom nom.
Di rumah gue gira ngapain? Jadi gue gira.
Dekem. Yang kaki ini ya.
Yeah. Dad would serve it up.
Kau cookies and cream ya?
Can you?
Itu dia seolah-olah punya ikut ngomong ya.
Nah, ini kaki lo juga.
Kalau mau minum, sorry yang di bawah. Apaan?
I actually served up the ice cream earlier.
Mau.
Nih, juga nggak mau makan.
Now, please.
Oh, tangannya bang foto.
Why did you put your drink right there? No, don't give it to me.
Ya dimakan dong, Bet.
Jangan foto, namanya foto jangan, jangan deh.
Hashtag tasty. Hashtag which way?
Habis.
Says which way?
Masih ada.
Hashtag family. Ketemu my family. Mana sama family? Lagi kan lagi all that.
Dulu pernah beli jadi ada jalan-jalan.
Masuk mulut deh. Nggak masuk mulut ya? Mau ikutan makan.
I don't want to eat anymore.
Kasian banget
Gimana
gimana?
nggak mau lagi kan?
Hi. So we're leaving right now. About to leave the prayer room. Okay, so right now walking to the hall, and my mom's phone came erupting from the toilet. If I go through the toilet, if I recorded that, you'd be like, what happened? Phone was like in the toilet. I don't know which hand I was grabbing it in, but I did grab the phone from the toilet, and it was like stuck in there, like stuck in the toilet. It wasn't like this. It was like this. Yeah. Half of the phone was like inside the toilet. Like half of the phone was inside the place where you flush. And now so broken. Now let's go. Rip phone. Rip phone case.
Go to Sushi Tei. Do you like sushi?
Never tried sushi.
Bisa baby.
Pause dulu ya. Oke. Pause dulu ya.
Mama, iya kayak
Okay, we're inside, and my mom's phone case, this is broken. Her phone case is dead.
Wow. Tadi bukan ada
Apa?
yang biru, baby chair.
Where?
Baby nggak bisa di sini. Makanya tadi dia bilang baby chair di sana. Ya udah nggak apa-apa sih, nggak perlu baby chair, penting dia ada di pojok.
Okay, now we're gonna be unboxing this from the gacha machine. Yeah, we did some gacha earlier.
Umi umurnya berapa? Umi namanya nih, aduh ini nih ya. Action.
So, my mom got this when now the tape is more.
Yuk.
Okay, my mom got this to do this. Okay, it's hanging like that. I just heard it like. Close your eyes. Ready for this.
Ada deg-degan sini karena kalau dia nggak makan pun pediasur kan aman. Kan aku udah kurangin pediasur. Dia masih nggak mau makan. Kayak tetap
Don't
berani.
give up.
Ini sih udah berasa kurus karena bajunya pada lebar.
Okay, close your eyes, everybody. Let's see what you get.
1, 2, 3. Open
Why
it.
can't I open it?
Ya biasanya itu nggak enak.
I got. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at it.
Oh, cuma begini doang. Keychain. Lah, keychain bukan karakternya. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's a lot. You can get the characters by the same. Okay, here's the checklist.
Kirain mama karakternya kok keychain sih? Kok dapetnya keychain?
There's probably a lucky chance to get a character, a lucky chance to get a keychain.
Oh, it's mean you're not lucky because you only get a keychain.
I don't know the lucky chance or something. I don't know.
Ya Allah, keychain.
Okay. Characters are there's 3 characters that we could get. And,
Kan digambarnya kan boneka ya. Ya kan, bonekanya kan, karakternya the keychain.
bro, don't be complaining.
Don't be complaining. Don't be complaining.
Can I open it? Surprise! I got keychain. Bam.